Take a look at this phantom wallet. $3.5 million all made from launching meme coins. No hype, no luck, just a repeatable strategy that prints. If you want in, stay locked in. I'm about to show you exactly how I became a dev and pulled all this off. Back then, when I was trading meme coins, every single time I jumped into a new meme coin, hoping to make profits, I'd get dumped on, rugged, and even worse, drained over and over again. And that's exactly when it hit me. The actual winners making money in this meme coin cycle are not buyers. They're actually the devs behind the coins. And when you launch a coin, you set the rules. You own the supply, you control the timing, and you drive the whole narrative. You are not gambling on someone else's hype and becoming exit liquidity. You are actually creating it, and every single buyer is your exit liquidity. By launching coins, you have nothing to lose. You are the creator, and bro, if you keep trading, you are gonna lose all your money. It's simple as that. But if you become a meme coin dev, you have the potential to making millions of dollars depending on how good the narrative of your coins are. And right now, with Bitcoin at an all-time high and Solana pumping harder than ever, this is the best time to start launching your own coins, bro. Trust me, so make sure to keep watching this video. Now, by the way, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not replicate what I do. Stop the cap! Now, the majority of devs launch coins on Pump.Fun, but here's the problem with this platform. It's oversaturated. Thousands of new coins flood the site every single day, and 99% of them never even get seen. Even worse, you don't control the liquidity, so you're basically just another buyer in your own project. That's the worst part. And that's exactly why I switched to create token..Io. Your coin launches directly on Radium. You control the liquidity and it gets instantly graduated so buyers can trade your coin right away and immediately. No waiting, no bottlenecks, no fighting through the sea of dead coins. You launch a coin and you get a shit ton of buyers. Simple as that. On createtokens.io, your launch actually gets visibility, and that means more buyers and more profits right from the start. That's exactly why thousands of devs use createtokens.io nowadays to launch coins. Now, when you are ready to launch a coin on createtokens.io, you've got two solid ways. Okay, the first way is to actually build a coin from scratch using the create coin section. So first of all, go on Twitter and pick a viral narrative. Maybe it's a trending meme, a political headline, or even a random joke that's blowing up online. It could literally be anything. Now, for example, usually coins that came from Elon Musk tweets usually do well. I could maybe find a quick example. Let me see. Now, these headphones, Elon Musk reposted it. I'm pretty sure a meme coin came about these headphones. Okay, that's proof that anything can turn into a meme coin. Anyways, come back to the site and then give it a name, add a ticker symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo for your meme coin PFP. Then hit next, and in seconds, your token is live and ready to go. But for the option 2, it's my personal favorite and easily the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. This feature pulls in coins that are already taken off on Pump.Fun. They've got traffic, they've got attention, and they're moving a shit ton of volume. And all you do is you copy a coin here, and your coin launches instantly on Radium with none of the delays, and it's instantly migrated on this section right here, so thousands of potential buyers are looking at your coin. And since you are cloning something that's already hot, you get instant buyers and way more profit potential right from the start. Both methods work, but I would highly recommend, if you're starting out, to copy coins and just dump them and rinse and repeat. That's where I've seen the fastest flips and the biggest gains. But anyways, let's stop stalling. It's time to actually launch a coin and put this into action. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the site, right, with Phantom. Then refresh list. And let's copy a coin that looks kind of decent. I'm not gonna lie, bro. The relaxation coin caught my attention. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago. And a $54,000 market cap, and it looks kind of cool, so I'm going to create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom and just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. Just give it a bit of time. Boom. And guys, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's instantly minted on chain. So the website is legit and it all works. But now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. All we're doing is adding liquidity so your token can be bought and sold instantly through Radium, right? There's two simple steps. Amount token A right under here. Just hit the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool, and you are gonna be keeping 10% into your dev wallet. Obviously, if you are more advanced, you can play around with this number. I would highly recommend to keep 90%. For the amount token B, this is your first buy into your own token. You are not losing anything. You are just kickstarting the market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you eventually remove the liquidity, that SOL that you put here will come right back into the wallet. Okay, I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL to be safe, and make sure you have enough in your wallet. Then create pool, and once again, you're not losing that money. Then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh right under here, and if you scroll down, boom, the relaxation coin is now live and the profit/PNL is at $0. But if you re-click on refresh once again, now we're up 159.3 USD, which means people are actively buying our coin, and I could maybe find it on the migrate section. It has to load, but anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart, and boom, now the coin is live. Give it a bit of time for it to load. Come on. Now let me go on full screen for you guys, and all you have to do from now on is just look at the chart, examine it, and reckon all the profits coming from the Radium DEX. Whoa, $72. That's insane. It's really fucking volatile. We are at a 1.5k market cap, 1.1k in liquidity. It's fucking shooting. Let's fucking go, come on. This is a really good start. We might be up a couple $100. We're gonna check that later. Come on. The volume is dying out. No, never mind. It's going back up. Let's go. Yes, sir. Pump, pump, pump. Come on. $2,000. We just broke $2,000 in a couple of seconds. Let's fucking go. $80. What? Guys, bro, this is the power of create token.io. I am telling you guys. By the way, I would highly recommend to join my free Discord community group, okay, and my free Telegram group if you want to contact me, or if you have any questions, or if you want, to get call outs and shit. Give me 10 seconds, right, for a quick time lapse, and I'll be right back to see where it's at and potentially cash out profits. Be right back. Okay, the chart is looking kind of bullish, and by the way guys, I am not bundling these coins, okay? These are all organic buys. If I were to bundle it, obviously the market cap would be way higher, but yeah, doesn't matter. I'm just doing a fully organic buy. I only own 10%. That's it. Nothing else more. Okay, I think this might be the cue to cash out profits. Right now, we are at a 4k market cap, almost $2,000 in liquidity. You know what? Fuck it. Come back to create tokens.io and click on refresh once again. Okay, we are up $1,569 with a 4.2k market cap. It's really, really good. But anyways, to cash out profits, click on the minus button, do 100% because that's what you want, right? You want all the money out. Remove this, right? Remove the liquidity. Then, as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8.3 SOL. It does fluctuates because the price is changing every single second. But yeah, that's an approximate. Then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, 1.5k straight inside my wallet, which is 8.3 SOL. If you want to enter the 3 Solana giveaway and win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.